If you're spending money on marketing or advertising, or you're thinking about spending money on marketing and advertising, it's really important that you take the time to think about what it is you're saying in your ads and whether or not what you're saying in your ads is the best way that you can articulate what it is that you do, and making it relevant to the target audience that you're wanting to engage or for them to take action. We run a series of marketing and branding workshops. It's about helping you articulate your brand story. It's about helping you understand your brand personality and developing a narrative that helps you to be able to stay on message so that you can really achieve ultimate consistency across all of your brand, across all touch points, and making sure that the customer journey makes sense and that it's authentic and that it really does fit with you and your business.